Welcome to an out-of-the-package decoding attempt. I got this package sent from Julian, one of my German viewers, and he has trouble with his lock. He bought this combination padlock and his daughter changed the code a couple of times, but the last time that she changed the code, something bad happened and she couldn't lock the lock anymore. And so the lock is in the open state and he couldn't figure out how to decode it so that he could close the lock again. But here's the package, and now I'm curious to see if I'm still able to do the trick. So let's see what we got. I think it is an Avis lock. Not an Avis lock, or no. Different brand. Looks like this. Black. No. It is an Abus. Never seen an Abus of this kind. Oh wow, that's the aluminum version. Yep. Okay, so let's see. I'll push down the shackle gently. Zoom in just a hair. And I want to make sure that, and you want to make sure if you do it yourself, that the shackle is exactly above the hole. And then let's see. Trying to find a loose spot here. Second is binding more. Okay, third is binding also a little bit. Last one is also binding, but there is no specific spot that it would jump into. Am I over the... not quite. Okay, so looks like here. There is not much to that, it's just turning the wheels and trying to find the loose spot and doing that in circles. Maybe here. This is pretty loose, this is stiff. This is a good number. It somehow clicked into position. But the last is not binding at all. It's just grinding. But we are above the hole, that's good. So start over again with the first wheel. This feels good. Haven't done this in a very long time. So still the last one does not give very good feedback. Maybe here. This is taking longer than expected. Pretty loose, pretty loose, pretty loose, stiff. So the last one is the troublemaker. I'm pushing harder. Maybe I can convince the fourth wheel to wheel a little bit of feedback. Maybe here. Okay, the first one is stiff. This feels good. Okay, so I think 1 is a good number here. 1 is a good number. 2 is a good number. And now the last one is really hard to turn. And we've got it. So it's 1120. All right, Julian, that's the code. Yeah, thanks for watching and happy picking. Bye-bye.